launch the application, open the menu using the Oculus gesture. Then, from the bar that appeared, select Library. Find our application on the list and click on it. Before you start using the app, go to the middle of the previously designated safety boundary. Hold your finger on the gear symbol located on the inside of your left wrist. Then, on the hologram that appears, select the cross icon and hold your finger on it to set the menu to the place where you are. On the left side of the main panel, you can easily switch between available languages. Select your language by clicking on the appropriate flag. On the right side of the main panel, there is a button for changing the environment. With its help, you can easily switch between the virtual and real environment. Among the courses in the main menu, find the one you are interested in and click on its icon. Then click the Next button. A user selection panel will appear. To play as a guest, click the Next button again. From the newly opened list of available lessons, select the one you want to start and then click Play. If at any point in the scenario you are unsure what to do next, hold your finger on the watch face on your left hand.
A button has appeared behind you.
This will activate the hint system that will guide you in the game. If you want to restart the scenario, hold your finger on the gear symbol located on the inside of your virtual left wrist. From the hologram, select the Restart icon and confirm your decision by holding your finger on the Yes button. If you want to go to the main menu, hold your finger on the gear symbol located on the inside of your virtual left wrist. From the hologram, select the house icon and confirm your decision by holding your finger on the Yes button.